Friends, we serve a God of amazing power, a God who can do anything, who created the heavens and the earth, a God who lives within us. This divine presence is a source of immense strength and comfort. When we face challenges, it's easy to forget the power we have within us, the power of God Himself. This power is not just a distant force but a personal presence in our lives. But the Bible reminds us in Galatians, "For God, who worked powerfully in Peter as an apostle to the circumcised, also worked powerfully in me as an apostle to the Gentiles." This same power is available to each of us. In this verse, Paul reminds us that the same power that worked through Peter also worked through him. Paul, a man who once persecuted Christians, was given a new life, transformed by the grace of God, a new purpose by the grace of God. This transformation is a testament to the power of divine intervention, and that same power is available to us today. It is a power that can change lives, heal wounds, and bring hope. We are not defined by our past mistakes or failures. We are defined by who God says we are, His beloved children, filled with His power and purpose. This identity gives us the strength to face any challenge. Just like Paul, we can overcome any obstacle, achieve any dream, and live a life of victory, a life that reflects the glory of God. All through the power of God working within us. This power is a gift, a promise, and a reality. Remember, you are not alone in your journey. God is with you every step of the way, ready to empower you, strengthen you, and help you reach your full potential. Embrace this power and let it guide you to a life of purpose and fulfillment. In Galatians, Paul received confirmation of his calling from God, a divine affirmation that set him on a transformative journey. God used Paul's unique gifts to reach the Gentiles, breaking barriers and spreading the message of love and grace. Each one of us has been gifted by God in special ways, talents that are meant to be used for a greater purpose. We all have a unique purpose to fulfill, a mission that only we can accomplish. Maybe you're gifted in teaching and encouraging others or in leading. These gifts can inspire and uplift those around you. Maybe you have a heart for helping the less fortunate, showing compassion and kindness to those in need. Or perhaps you feel called to share God's love with the world, spreading hope and faith wherever you go. Whatever your gifts may be, know that God has a plan for your life, a plan filled with purpose and meaning, guiding you every step of the way. Don't be afraid to step out in faith and use your gifts for His glory. Embrace the journey with courage and trust. Don't let fear or insecurity hold you back. Remember, every step you take is a step towards fulfilling your divine purpose. Remember, God doesn't call the qualified, He qualifies the called. He will provide the strength and wisdom you need. He will equip you with everything you need to accomplish His will, ensuring you are never alone on this journey. God's grace sets us free, liberating us from the chains that once held us back, free from the weight of our past, from the burdens that once seemed insurmountable, free from the pressure to perform, to meet the expectations of others, free to live a life of joy and abundance, embracing every moment with gratitude. When we understand the depth of God's love for us, a love that knows no bounds, when we truly grasp the power of His grace, which transforms and renews us, we are empowered to live differently, to walk a path of purpose and meaning. We are empowered to forgive others, to release the hold of past hurts, to let go of bitterness and anger, and to embrace peace, and to walk in love, spreading kindness wherever we go. We are empowered to dream big dreams, to envision a future filled with possibilities, to step outside of our comfort zones, to take bold steps of faith, and to make a difference in the world, leaving a lasting impact. Don't let the limitations of this world define you. Break free from the constraints. You are a child of the Most High God, destined for greatness, and you have the power to overcome any obstacle, to rise above challenges, and achieve anything that God has placed on your heart, fulfilling your divine purpose. Friends, it's time to stop existing and start truly living. We were created to live lives filled with purpose, passion, and joy. We were created to make a difference in the world, to leave a legacy of love and faith. Don't waste another day living below your potential. Don't let fear, doubt, or insecurity hold you back any longer. Step into the fullness of who God created you to be. Embrace your calling, walk in your purpose, and watch God do amazing things in and through your life. Remember, you are a masterpiece, fearfully and wonderfully made. God has a plan for your life, a plan filled with hope and a future. So go out there and live it.